time.
What?
I started when you said that.
Oh.
So
Because you're here now.
today we're going to be doing something different. If you don't see it in the shadow.
Point.
It's a ghost. The poop. The poop.
What did our dog do?
That wasn't I died. Okay. So today we're going to be doing 10 easy tricks to do with your fidget spinner. Yeah, if you have one. So yeah.
If you don't have one, go buy one at my store.
Yeah. So
I'm selling free.
we will be right back. Okay. So one trick you could do is like this. Oh wait, I dropped it. It wanted to poop grass. Okay.
This. Yeah, your thumb. But if you can't balance it, then just go like this. So all you gotta do is just go like that. If you can't do it and you're too scared, go like this. And if you want to do it easier, just go like that.
Yeah. Okay, I could go higher because then it will show your face. Okay. So another trick is like this.
No, you can never show my face. Go lower, I can't see. Yeah, the middle finger.
The middle finger.
And if I get showed my face, then that would be bad. So, ew, there's a lot of nasty stuff.
Oh yeah.
Wait, no.
Still surviving.
Oh, wow. Alright. So it's my turn to do another trick. Another trick you can do. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Bounce it on whatever part you want. And you can go
My turn.
Oh, man, it's from the shadow.
Okay. So another trick is that
Showing anything.
if you want to not use your fingers anymore and just see how fast you could go.
What the heck, you got drunk again?
It's going really fast.
I've been drinking too much. Ow!
Sorry. I accidentally hit his shoulder.
And if you guys want to buy this one's the best one. That one sucks. Wait, she's right here. Wait, no, never mind. Sorry, buddy.
Okay, so yeah.
Alright, here's something where you can do for advanced people. I think that they're better than everyone in the world.
Yeah, go like this.
Yeah.
If you don't know, then I just do my fidget spinner.
Yeah, I didn't show that part. Alright, if you guys are advanced, you guys can go over here, spin your fidget, make sure it slides down. Here, I'm gonna try it. If you guys are too advanced and you guys are like, I like hopscotch, and if you guys make it down while it's still spinning, you're awesome.
Yeah. Okay, let me try.
And then you can follow me on Twitter. Go. She failed.
That was close.
She's coming. Oh, this is...
360, let's go.
Okay, so she was being so meanie.
I pushed him down the stairs.
Yeah, she pushed me down. So what's another trick we can do? Here we go, car trick. This isn't our car. I hope we don't get in trouble. Yeah, and then you can play Little Wings. Oh, we failed. Okay, that's if you don't want to play with fidgets. Then you throw them away.
Yeah. So, another trick is that
you look at the sky and you think, it's been a great day.
Is that if you want
And then you look at the sky. You're like, it's a fantastic day to look at the sun when all things hot. That burned my eyeball.
Another trick is that you want your fidget spinner to be a ninja star. Watch. Ninja star.
Yeah.
And also another trick is that you could do this.
No.
Hey. Ah.
Okay, that's all we have, even though it wasn't 10. I think
Maybe
it was like 7.
Maybe it was.
Well, you didn't keep track, but thank you guys for thank you guys for watching this video. Maybe in the next video we'll be doing, I hate to say it, but how many requests did you get
Like
on your Roblox account?
18 or
I probably
20?
have like 30 something. We're gonna be doing, we're gonna friend 10 people,
Yeah. So
but that'll be in the future.
we'll do
Just
that.
kidding, guys.
We'll do that in the next video,
Yeah,
which is probably gonna be today.
probably.
So bye.